So what's up guys, thanks for tuning into the channel. So today we're going to be checking out some new taillights that we're going to install on the C8 Z06. They are the C8 Corvette Euro taillights that you can get for pretty much any kind of C8 Corvette, whether it's the Stingray or the Z06 or the E-Ray version. And they come from the manufacturer Auto Addict. But I'm going to show you later in the video where you can go to get one of the best prices on the market for these, as well as a little bit of a discount code. So you definitely want to stay tuned for that. But for now, let us take a look at what we get inside this box. Alright guys, so we have the box here and let's take a look at what we get inside. Now, like I said before, this comes from Auto Addict. That's the manufacturer that makes these tail lights, but you can usually find these on a multitude of different websites to order from. And in particular, the website that I'm going to be referring you guys is CForce Performance to purchase these. They have a whole bunch of different C8 mods that you can buy, but they also sell these Euro tail lights as well. And I'll just say right out front, if you use the code New Horizon on their website, you can save yourself about 6% off your order, regardless of if it's these tail lights or just anything you order on there for that matter. So in any case, all right, so now that we got this box open, let's take a look at what we got here. All right, so I'm gonna have to move some stuff around because this came out in an entire block. All right, so I had to kind of rearrange things really quickly because everything didn't come out as easily as I thought it would. But here are the taillights that we have here from Auto Addict. So these fit OEM style in regards to these should be a simple plug and play. And looking at the finish on these, check this out guys. I mean, I know it's not getting caught as well on the camera. I could probably take off the protective film real quick. Just give a little bit of a better look at these. Ooh. Oh, I'm so excited about this. This looks so nice. So the biggest difference, obviously, you can see is kind of the smoked look on these. And these, when they are turned on, are gonna have a nice red glow on them. So it's not like how the OEMs where it's just all red on this section. It is going to be a nice gray fixture that's going to work really, really well with the Z06 and the color scheme that I have on this so far. But when it needs to be turned on and stuff like that, it's going to be a nice red glow, and we'll show you how that looks on the car and such. But overall, I mean, you'll see also here in the center section right here, again, it's probably not getting caught as well on the camera. We'll show it a lot better once it's installed on the car, but it's a nice gray film right here. And then same on the outer section right here, you have a bit of a gray section also here, dark tint section. And then you have your typical white LED lights for your rear when you're backing up and such. So overall, yeah, I'm really, really happy with how this looks. Again, like I said, this is gonna be an OEM fit. So all of this is it's gonna literally attach in the same locations as the OEM and along with the same kind of connectors as well. So these will fit the OEM connectors that you have there. So it's supposed to be a very, very easy install. Relatively speaking, you just got to take the rear bumper off in order to be able to install these. So, but yeah, this looks awesome. So talking about price real quick. So these retail for about $1,500. That being said, there's usually pretty good deals out there to find them. If you look on CForce Performance, they have a deal going on, I believe currently as of the air of this video. As well as, again, using the code New Horizon, you should be able to get an extra 6% off of your order. So you can get these for a pretty good deal. Yeah, I mean, just looking at how these look, I mean, they look really, really nice. And I can already tell these are worth it. Oh man, they look so good. I am just so overjoyed. If you can't hear it in my voice, I just want to put these on already. But I got to show you guys what they look like from the packaging. And the packaging is really good. These are solid. I know the box outside kind of look a little bit rough around the edges just because of just the shipping and all that kind of stuff. But overall, these were well protected in here. This is really good, high quality, thick foam that these were in. And there is no issues with the finish on these. They look really good on there. So along with these taillight pieces, you also get a couple of other things from Auto Addict. You get like a little keychain type thing right here, as well as a little sticker from Auto Addict as well, and then a little user manual here. to look at. And then they also actually provide a little license plate thing if you wanted to use their license plate. So a couple of little accessory pieces that aren't too bad. So, but yeah, overall, I mean, the finish and everything on these is pretty freaking nice. So in any case, I'm gonna go ahead and install these because I can't wait any longer. And I really need to just show you what these look like on the car. So let's get started with that. So alrighty guys, so we finished installing the Euro taillights on the C8 Corvette Z06 and they look pretty freaking good. It's kind of interesting. It's one of those things I actually get more turned on by them when they're off because of just how that looks. But when they are on, it looks freaking fantastic as well. So you have all the LEDs in regards to certain turn signals, the sequential turn lights go all the way across, and then you still maintain the red look of these particular Euro taillights when the car is on. So if I were to turn this on in regards to at least showing that, you can see the LED lights going on and then the actual lights in regards to the tail lights along with the rear light that is in the traditional white. So overall, I mean, it looks fantastic on the car. And when they're on, you really can't tell any kind of difference from the OEM. I will say that in direct sunlight, they are a little bit more faded than they would be on just the OEM lights, which are already tinted red to begin with. But in general, I actually don't mind it. I think it looks nice and makes it look distinctive. So if you are interested in purchasing a set for these, definitely check out CForce Performance and use my code New Horizon to get 6% off of your order. AutoAddict, whose manufacturer, really knocked it out of the park with these. And the install for this was actually not too bad. Now, to install these, you do have to take the rear bumper, but the weird thing is that the old C8 Stingray rear bumper is actually harder to take off than the Z06. Mostly because of certain bolts that are a little bit harder to find, like to basically reach on the sides here. But because this is a little bit wider in regards to the rear bumper, you actually have a little bit more space to work on, and there's less bolts, believe it or not, kind of deal. So we'll have a full how-to in regards to how to install these, but it's really, really easy. You just got to take off that rear bumper, unbolt the OEM tail lights, and then bolt in the new ones, replug everything in, put the bumper back on, and you're good to go. So I mean, there's a few more extra steps, obviously, and in the how-to video, we'll show the whole entire process. But overall, the rear bumper for this was much easier than any of the work I did on the front bumper, which was an ungodly amount of freaking bolts and screws that had to come out and then get put back in the right spot. So this was heck of a lot easier. I think it only took me about a couple of hours to do. Not even probably, if I wasn't worried about trying to get, you know, good camera angles and all that kind of stuff. But in any case, this is freaking awesome. I absolutely love it. Definitely makes your C8 Corvette stand out. And again, these fit the Stingray, the Z06, and the E-Ray. They all will fit every single variant that you have. So that's pretty cool that it fits all the different variants. But in any case, I think this is gonna wrap up this video. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like this video, please check out any of my other videos, and we'll see you next time. Take care, guys.